There are no specific allegations as regards the dowry, my lords.
Madam, आपने खुद ही कहा है they resided only for 1.5 months.
Yes.
Where is the question of specific or non-specific?
And
Madam, there is no question of any demand of dowry in order to make out an offence under 498A. Demand of dowry is one of the aspects, but misbehavior which may lead a woman to commit suicide or which may result in causing danger to her life, limbs or health, they are also sufficient. Madam, this applicant, how he is related to the respondent number 1?
he's the husband.
Husband. Right. Which is the FIR, madam?
That starts from that is by pay number particular.
Okay. Some judgments, I'll quote everything. Lords, this is an application under section 482 of quashment of FIR. The FIR, may I read the FIR?
Yeah, please, madam.
Page number 6.
जी मैडम.
थाना में सऊदी के पद पर पदस्थ प्रार्थिया प्रीति गुप्ता उम्र 25 साल, मूव टू द रेलेवेंट पार्ट, के पास जोतावर जिला की मांग कर शारीरिक व मानसिक रूप से प्रताड़ित कर गाली गलौज कर मारपीट संबंधित शिकायत की जा मामला परिवहन होने के आपसी समझौता हेतु परिवार परामर्श कमेटी के समक्ष रखा गया. Then my lords, I'll skip to the relevant part. Now, मेरे माता पिता ने शादी में रुपए 20 लाख अधिक राशि का सामान एवं जेवरात नगद राशि उक्त विवाह में मेरे पति को प्रदान किए गए एवं लगभग 10 लाख रुपए की अतिरिक्त राशि विवाह संबंधी अन्य कार्यक्रम में व्यय हुई. अपने सामर्थ्य के अनुसार एवं सहमति से विवाह किए जाने के उपरांत भी मेरे पति विवाह के पश्चात लगातार राशि कम दिए जाने के कारण मेरे पति के द्वारा नाराजगी जाहिर की जाती रही. विवाह दिनांक से मेरे साथ मेरे पति द्वारा दुर्व्यवहार एवं अपशब्दों का प्रयोग किया एवं गाली गलौज ताना देना प्रारंभ कर दिया. मेरे पति इंदौर में HR मैनेजर के पद पर कार्यरत हैं. मैं शादी के कुछ दिन बाद अपने पति के पास गई. मेरे पति द्वारा लगातार गाली गलौज कर मुझे कमरे में बंद रखा जाता था एवं मुझे दैनिक आवश्यकताओं से वंचित रखा जाता था. मेरे पति द्वारा मेरे साथ अमानवीय व्यवहार कर मारपीट की जाती थी. मेरे पति अत्यधिक शराब का सेवन करते हैं, मेरे साथ गाली गलौज एवं मारपीट करते हैं. मेरे परिवार के द्वारा बार बार लगातार समझाए जाने पर भी हर तरह से सहयोग किए जाने का प्रयास किए जाने पर भी पति के व्यवहार में कोई सुधार नहीं आया एवं उनकी क्रूरता जारी रही एवं मुझे अत्यधिक प्रताड़ित कर परेशान किया जाता रहा. उसके पश्चात मैं जबलपुर वापस आ गई. उसके पश्चात भी मेरे पति द्वारा जबलपुर आकर भी मेरे साथ दुर्व्यवहार कर मेरे साथ मारपीट की गई एवं मुझसे एवं मेरे परिवार से अनावश्यक राशि की मांग लगातार जारी रही. मेरे द्वारा जिला जबलपुर में आने के उपरांत भी हर संभव प्रयास किया जाने के उपरांत भी मेरे पति द्वारा किसी भी प्रकार का अच्छा व्यवहार नहीं किया जाता.
जी मैडम.
This is the FIR, my lords. Now, first thing I would like, there are few things I would like, dates I would like to quote. The date of marriage is 25/22, my lords. They have been living separately since 22/6/22. They have hardly lived for 15 to 20 days together. The applicant filed a divorce proceeding on 21/8/23, my lords. And before that, a DV proceeding was filed by the applicant on 24/7.
Which proceedings were filed?
DV. Domestic
DV?
violence. Yes.
When that was filed?
24/7/23. And because we had told the applicant that we want a divorce because she was asking for an amount of 5 lakhs to settle the dispute between each other. So we filed a divorce on 21/8/23. Now, my lords, I would like to. The applicant is staying separately since 22/6/22, and there are just omnibus allegations, my lords. There is.
Madam, you are the husband.
Yes, my lords. There are no specific allegations as regards the dowry, my lords.
Madam, आपने खुद ही कहा है they resided only for 1.5 months.
Yes.
Where is the question of specific or non-specific? Everything happened within this 1.5 months.
They have not resided even for 1.5 months, my lords.
Fine, whatever it is. So even assuming they resided together for 1 month only, so all the allegations which have been leveled, they took place within a period of 30 days only.
My lords,
Then
actually,
where is the question of specific allegations?
my lords, as regards the dowry demands, I would like to
Ji,
quote the celebrated judgment of Preeti Gupta and others.
Madam, can you say that there is any harassment on the ground of demand of dowry? Is it the allegation?
My lords, there is no specific demand for dowry. Is what I'm
Right.
trying to
Please come to section 498A.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, my lords. That's what I'm saying. Section 498A, Part B, harassment of the women, where such harassment is in the view to coerce her or any person related to
Don't
her.
jump to B on directly. First of all,
Firstly-
madam, first of all, read out A also.
I'll come to that also. ma'am.
No, first of all, start from A.
Any willful conduct which is of such nature as is likely to drive the women to commit suicide or cause any grave injury or danger to life.
Right. So, whether there is any demand of dowry or not, if the act of an accused is covered by A, clause A of this definition of cruelty, then again an offense under section 498A would also be made out. So, demand of dowry is not a sine qua non for registering an offense under 498A.
My lords, there is no specifics regarding to any injury,
Madam,
grievous hurt,
likely to drive. It hardly matters whether
drive. My lords,
then
I would like to quote few judgments.
Preeti Gupta, my judgment.
No, my lord, Swapnil and others versus State of MP. The allegations are almost the same. I have,
Whether this clause A was taken note of.
yes, my lords, and in fact there was threat to life also in that judgment.
Mhm.
And there were specifics related to the dowry also, that 10 lakhs amount and gold chains were asked.
So whether that judgment is in relation to the husband or
Yes,
to.
yes, my lords, it's to the husband. I have
Just give me that judgment. But
I have given that.
you have already supplied to me. Ji.
Yeah, in that judgment.
First is Preeti Gupta. Another is my judgment.
Yes, my lords.
Third is
Swapnil and others versus State of MP.
Swapnil and others.
And at this judgment.
Just a minute, madam. मुझे स्वप्निल वाला देख लेने दीजिए. मुझे दिख नहीं रहा actually. Then there is a judgment by Madras High Court. It
Yes.
must be after that.
Yes.
Swapnil, yes.
In that judgment, my lords, it's almost the same facts. Almost the same
No,
facts.
no, no,
There's-
madam. No. Let us come to the allegations.
Yes, yes. Para 5, my lords, in that judgment. On 30/4/2012, they said, if you do not fulfill our demands, then we will kill you. Thus, my husband, father-in-law, mother-in-law, and sister-in-law gave threat for life on the issue of demand of 10 tola gold, Maruti car, and 1 lakh rupees in case of dowry. Yeah, there are specific demands, my lords, and there's a threat to kill the complainant. And there, in this case also, there is a domestic violence case which has been registered. And upon ascertaining the facts and delving on most judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court, the Supreme Court has finally quashed the FIR for husband, mother-in-law, and father. And my lords,
Ji, madam.
my lords, the judgment I have submitted, the Madras High Court judgment, that is between the husband and wife only on the same set of grounds, and that has also been relied on Swapnil and others, the Supreme Court judgment, whereby the court has quashed the FIR. My lords, I would like to refer to your judgment, Sandeep Singh Bias and others. In that page, para 13, the RP Kapoor and versus State of Punjab, where you have referred to this judgment, where the third part, where the allegations in the first information report of the complaint taken to the face value accepted in the entirety do not constitute the offence alleged, and where the allegations constitute an offence alleged, but there is either no legal evidence adduced or evidence adduced clearly or manifestly fails to prove the charges.
Ji,
I
madam.
like to rely on this because in the charge sheet also there is.
Madam, please come to paragraph 3 of this Swapnil's judgment. Whether that fact is available in the present case.
Yes, my lord.
Paragraph 3.
Para 3.
Hmm.
Annex P5, that. Para.
Yeah. Whether there is any allegation of demand of dowry or harassment by the husband in paragraph 3.
Demand by the husband.
Yeah. He does not do any work or business.
And
That was the only allegation against the husband.
No, but my lords, the
Madam, please. Let us not move so quickly. Right? Now, please come to paragraph 8. If the intervening developments referred to above and the two complaints are analyzed carefully, then a conclusion was drawn. What is there for me to compare? Whether any reconciliation proceedings had taken place, or whether any statement was made by the respondent that no, he never misbehaves with her.
my lords, a representation was submitted before this FIR was
By whom?
by the applicant.
Maybe what are the rights of an accused to participate in the investigation or to direct the to seek a direction for the investigating officer to investigate in a particular manner?
My lords, all I would want to submit is there are no specific allegations regard to dowry demands. And
Madam, there is no question of any demand of dowry in order to make out an offence under 498A. Demand of dowry is one of the aspects. But misbehavior which may lead a woman to commit suicide or which may result in causing danger to her life, limbs, or health, they are also sufficient.
my lords, my submission is that it is a malified proceeding and
Madam, please come to judgment passed by the Supreme Court in the case of Renu Kumari, in which the Supreme Court has also considered the judgment passed in the case of Bhajan Lal, and it has been held that if the allegations make out a prima facie cognizable offence, then the malafide of the informant becomes secondary in nature. One 2024. This application does.
One versus
Sanjay Kumar.
8 points.
And in that case, Bhajan Lal's judgment was also considered. 2024. Madam, would you like to have an order on merits?
my lords, I would like to withdraw.
This application under section 482 of CRPC has been filed seeking the following relief. After arguing the matter at length, the counsel for the applicant seeks permission of this court to withdraw this application. It is accordingly dismissed as withdrawn.